we're here at NAIA Terminal 3. Detailed. Sunduin namin ng father and sister namin. Sinong hindi natulog kagabi? I feel like I'm floating. Wala pa siyang tulog. As in, ako 1 hour. Wow. Pinagmalaki niya pa yung 1 hour.
He told me I want to talk to the witness. I told him to the witness.
Bakit tinatanggal yung pickles? Ang lala ng allergy ko. Wala. Look. Ang pangit. For today, magsushoot kami ng mga project namin with Shopee. Yes, meron kaming monthly campaign with Shopee. So, yung araw ang kailangan naming matapos ay 6 videos. Isahing araw na namin yung shoot para checking drafts na lang, tapos revisions for the whole month. And actually guys, I'm not feeling well. I don't know if siponto or allergy. Hi guys, we're here at Eastwood. We're going to MOA to eat lunch. I'm green for today. We're here at DTF. It's 3:27 and hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Gutom na ako, as in super tagal. Pakibilisan po please. Joke lang. Starbs for today. Kanina, we bought cinnamon, pero hindi pa namin siya kinakain. And decide kami na mag-Starbs. Starbs? Yeah! Hi guys, we're going out again to eat lunch. Parang puro eating tong nangyayari sa vlog na to. We're here again at BGC. Just love the fresh air. Grabe yung hangin. Grabe, ano to? And yeah, we ate McDo lunch and then dinner. Medyo kapangalan namin yung resto. Ang name ng resto na to guys ay Hussein. And I'm Head Hussein Al-Hassan. So guys, we're here at NARS. Magpapabudol kami. Sabihin namin, deserve namin to. Yeah, let's go. Ito yung gusto ko guys, pot concealer. Good morning guys. It's 9:16 a.m. Yes, maaga pa lang. And nagpe-prepare kami para i-meet yung mga relatives namin. Excited na ako, na-miss ko sila. This is what I bought last day. Yung pot concealer ng NARS. Ang ganda niya. Let's do an unboxing. I bought this for 1,100. No. 1,900. Fit check. Nasa mall na naman ang mga walang kasasawa ang mall. Lagi na lang nasa mall yung vlog tuloy. Sorry ah. Hi guys. Let's try this. Kakaroon tayo ng Guess the Bill. 17.6.
23,400.
22.5.
20,700. 22,769.
22,300.
25,000. Okay. Yeah, I bought that for us.
Hi guys, we're out again. Guess what? Anong gagawin na naman? We're going to eat, as always. Yung vlog na to naging eating vlog na. Sorry. We love to eat. Mozzarella sticks. Look at that. Guys, magbe-bake kami today. Sabi. Okay. Guys, I think medyo late na kami sa trend, pero we'll still try this one. Ayan, Medici luxury cheesecakes. Finally! Cheesecake. Hi guys! So for today, aalis ulit kami. Pumunta lang ulit ng mall. Mag-get ready ako. Let's go! Bare face ko guys. Medyo dry yung face ko ngayon. I've been having allergies for the past few days. Dito kami sa Dior. Guys, this is the one we're paying na. Bumili kami ng lip oil gift for our sister. Bumili kami ng tig-isang highlighter. Got the goods! Good morning, guys. Hindi ko alam pagising ko. Sobrang kine-crave ko yung cup noodles. So, bababa tayo para bumili sa convenience store. Let's go. wet with Haifa, guys. Currently editing the vlog and napansin ko lang, nakain kami ng kain sa vlog na to. Sorry. Feeling ko yung perfect na title dito is What We Ate in a Week. Charot. But anyways, thank you guys for watching our vlog. See you on our next one.